Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sorento air filter. This is a simple maintenance task you can easily do yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes, saving you time and money. You will only need a new air filter and perhaps a flathead screwdriver for some models. Keeping your air filter clean is crucial for your engine's health and overall vehicle performance. First, open your hood and locate the large black air filter housing, usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay. It's a prominent box connected to a large intake hose. You will see 4 to 5 metal clips around the perimeter of the housing. Simply unclip these to prepare for opening the cover. Some models might also have a hose clamp to loosen. Once the clips are undone, gently lift the top half of the air filter housing. You will then see the old, often dirty, rectangular air filter sitting inside. Simply pull the old filter straight out. Take your new, clean air filter and carefully place it into the housing, making sure it fits snugly and evenly all around its edges. This ensures proper air filtration. Now, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Re-engage all 4 or 5 metal clips firmly to secure the cover. If you loosened a hose clamp, tighten it back up. You have successfully replaced your air filter. This simple task helps your engine breathe better, leading to improved performance and potentially better fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.